Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to read input dynamically and how to print the result and how to manipulate the input to get the result. So now we can analyze it by using a simple problem. So given a positive integer n, so they will provide us an input integer n, and what is our task? Print the sum of first n natural numbers. So our task is to find the sum of n natural numbers. So how do you find the sum of n natural numbers, sir? If the input is 4, my n is 4, I need to find sum of 4 natural numbers. That is 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 will provide me the sum of 4 natural numbers. That is 4 into 5 by 2. That is nothing but 20 by 2. That is nothing but 10. You can check, we get the result exactly whatever the result was. So how do we find for n? Here 4 is the input that we are finding for that input. But in general, can we write for n input? If the input is 4, then we can find in this way. If the input is n, let us say n, then how do we get the result? Let's say my result will be n into n plus 1 by 2. So double by indicates it is an integer division. We can do an integer division in this way. And what is n? Let us say my number is num, then I can able to find it by using num into num plus 1 by 2. So in this way you can find the result. Sir, you can tell me how to read an input dynamically. To read an input dynamically, we need to use a function, that is input function. So simply you need to use input function. Enter a number. So whatever the prompt that you write within double quotes, that will be displayed under the input section while running the code. So input is a function which is used to read a line of input while code is running. And what does it do is it just reads the input in the form of string. It just reads input in the form of string. But my number is an integer, right? So I need to convert my string to integer, right? So for that type conversion, you need to use an int, which is used to type conversion. Now I want to find the result. To find the result and store it in a variable, I'm using res is a variable that I want to store my result. So now how to find the result? My number into number plus 1 integer divided by 2. So in this way we can find our result. So to get the output, how do we get the output, sir? You print the output by using a function name is print. So you want to print the result, then you can write res is a variable where my result is stored. To print whatever the stored result in res, you need to use the variable name. So that's it. Let us run and check whether it is working or not. So I just ran. Now I'll provide my input as 5. So 5 it is, yeah, it is working for 5. Let us check with the 4 whether it is working or not. So you can see we got 10. Now let us provide another input and test it manually. So you can see if I provided 6, I'm getting 21. Let us check manually. So if I provide 6, then it will be 6 into 6 plus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 6 into 7 by 2. So if I divide 6 by 2, or else 6 ones are what? 42. So 42 by 2. It is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is 21. We got the exact result. In this way, we can read the input dynamically. Whatever the input we provide, that was read dynamically by using input function. Since input function reads the data and stores in the form of string, so we are just converting it into integer by using int function. And whatever the manipulation you want, that you can perform, and whatever the result that you want to print, whatever the output that you want to print, you can print by using print function. So whatever the output that you want to print, you can print it by using print function. In this way, you can find the sum of n natural numbers. I hope this video is clearly understandable to you. So please comment to suggest this video to more viewers so that they also learn the DSA series. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you like this video, please comment so that it will be suggestible to more viewers. Thanks for watching. Must practice so that you can able to solve it in real time exams. So thanks for watching again. Must practice.